We're gonna start this project with large brush. We'll use yellow paint to cover 1/3 of the artwork, starting from the bottom. After wiping your brush, you can use orange paint to cover the middle part of the artwork. After wiping your brush with paper towel, you can use yellow paint to blend orange and yellow. You can wipe your brush again and use a little bit of water on the tip of your brush to blend it even more. You can wipe your brush one more time and use red paint to cover upper part of the artwork. You can wipe your brush one more time and dip it in orange paint to blend red and orange. After wiping your brush, you can use a little bit of water to blend it more. Next, we'll switch to a medium-sized brush and black paint. We'll create a semicircle on the left side of the artwork that will turn into a wavy line on the right side. Next, we'll create an outline of this hill on the other side by adding a line from the tip of the hill to the left corner of the artwork. Now you can paint everything below this outline. Next, we'll grab a small brush and we'll keep using black paint. We'll paint a rectangular shape on top of the hill. Next, we'll paint an outline of 2 windows. You can paint in the rest of the house around windows. We'll paint a roof by adding 2 small lines on both sides, then we'll turn them into triangles. Now we'll paint the porch by adding a thin line on the right side. Next we'll paint 1 horizontal line and couple vertical lines. Now we'll add details to both windows by adding 1 vertical line and couple horizontal lines. We'll paint another rectangle on top of the house. Next, we'll paint outline of the window. You can paint in everything around the window. Next, you can add the same details to this window. Now we'll paint a triangle roof on top of the second story of the house. After completing outline, you can paint it in. Next, you can add a chimney above the roof. We'll switch to a medium-sized brush and we'll use black paint to add outline of the tree. We'll make the base of the tree thicker than the tip of the tree. Next, you can switch to a small brush to add branches. We'll add even smaller branches using tip of your brush. Now we'll paint outline of a headstone. You can paint outline of a rectangle and then paint it in. You can paint an oval headstone by creating an arch and then painting it in. Next we'll paint a cross and another smaller headstone. Next, we'll use just the tip of your brush to paint a thin line hanging from a tree. Then we'll add a small circle and 3 spider legs on both sides. We'll add even smaller circle to paint spider's head. Now we can paint spider web. We'll start by adding a couple thin lines next to each other. Now you can connect them by adding arches. To paint grass, you can create couple brush strokes on both sides of the tree. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.